Since its establishment in 1917, Tsubaki chain has been in the business of making chain and is the #1 chain manufacturer in the Japanese domestic market. Tsubaki chain and chain products are known as a top brand worldwide. Tsubaki drive chain is a result of years of experience and improved technology. Tsubaki continued pursuit of improved efficiency and ease of handling for our customers developed RS-80 roller chain, which has been adopted in a wide variety of industries. Tsubaki also supplies excellent quality, highly efficient drive chain for use in wet environments, lubrication-free settings, and even for very severe conditions to satisfy our customers' usage requirements. In recent years, as part of the push to improve work environments in factories, the reduction of machinery noise has become a matter of concern. Taking this as a theme, Tsubaki began intense research into the reduction of noise for drive chain. The result of this research led to the development of Tsubaki low noise drive chain, which reduces chain noise by 6 to 8 decibels. This chain was released for sale in March 1999 and has proven to be a valuable addition to the Tsubaki product lineup. The spring roller, an original Tsubaki concept and design, replaces the cylindrical roller used in standard roller chain and successfully reduces noise produced when the sprocket engages with the chain. Let's listen to an example of the low noise drive chain and see how much it reduces noise. The test conditions are shown here. Both of the chains tested are JIS standard size 80. There are 58 links in each chain. The chain speed is 100 meters per minute. The load applied is 1 kilonewton. The sprockets used each have 17 teeth, and each test, the measuring device is 300 millimeters from the chain. First, let's listen when there's no chain attached. Looking at the sound meter shown on the bottom left of the screen, we can see that the sound level is approximately 58 decibels. Next, we have RS-80 standard roller chain. The chain is attached to both sprockets. Then a 1 kilonewton load is applied. Next, the chain speed is increased to 100 meters per minute. The sound level is approximately 75 decibels. This is Tsubaki's low-noise drive chain. The chain is attached again to both sprockets, and the test is carried out as before. The sound level here is approximately 66 decibels. Could you hear the difference between the sound levels generated by each chain? This chart shows a review of the results for all three tests. The difference in sound levels generated by low-noise drive chain and RS roller chain was approximately 9 decibels. However, this value will change with different chain speeds and loads. Here we can see why noise is produced when a chain engages with the sprocket. When a sprocket drives a chain, the teeth of the sprocket mesh or engage with the chain's rollers. The resulting chain energy is converted into chain motion, chain tension, and heat, as well as parts vibration and chain noise. However, through the use of low-noise drive chain, which uses Tsubaki's original design spring roller, some of the energy produced between the sprocket and the roller is absorbed, and this provides a noise-reducing effect. As you can see from the data, there is a relationship between chain speed and sound. If chain speed is increased, sound levels also increase. This data shows the relationship between chain tension and load and noise. If tension is increased, sound levels also increase. In our tests, the sound level of the chain has been reduced by 9 decibels. However, under actual operating conditions, the sound is much softer and quieter. Once again, let's listen to the difference between the low-noise drive chain and RS roller chain. We will alternate between the two. Please listen again. As you can hear, Tsubaki's low-noise drive chain clearly softens noise generated by the chain. Would you like to control the noise in your factories? Are you planning to improve your working equipment? Are you looking to upgrade your machinery and improve your company image? Have you considered noise-controlling belts, but found their strength and layout limitations prevented use? Does sound play an important role in your application? Tsubaki Moto's low-noise drive chain can help in all these areas. It has a variety of uses: wrapping machines, printing machines, theatrical stage equipment, warehouses, canning machines, and vertical parking systems. Also, it can be used in general drive applications as well as hanging or suspended applications. Added to Tsubaki's lineup of general use RS roller chain, maintenance-free lambda chain, high-strength heavy load super chain, stainless steel and DP roller chain for harsh environments. The release of low-noise drive chain further meets the needs of our customers. Tsubaki's broad lineup of drive chain allows selection based on the customer's desired use. In the future, Tsubaki will continue to develop and produce high-quality products that provide excellent value and service for our customers.